So I'm in the middle of a printing project here, and you can see that my big ink is empty. I got to change it. So the following ink tank cannot be recognized. So I got to take this one out and put this one in right here. So instead of paying the $1 million that you have to pay for ink, I got this off of Amazon, which was much cheaper. Like I think maybe 1/3 of the cost. Comes with all these, you know, I've used some already, but now I got to do this one. So we're going to put it in here. To put it in, you got to grab it down here, pull this up, and then this is going to slide over. And for some reason, this one here is blinking. I don't know why. And this one's not being recognized. But they're all... That's the black one right there. So maybe this is the only one I need to change. So we've got to find this one in there. So I'll set that there. I do believe that this is the black one right here. So I just got to pop that off, I think. There we go. All right, now let's go ahead and put that in there. And that should be fully lit now. We should be good. But it was telling me that this one was no good. But that's the one that was no good. So let's see if it works. Apparently that was the one we needed to change. The following genuine ink tanks have been installed. Okay. All right, let's hit that. Yeah, look, now it's okay. Isn't that weird? I mean, it was telling me that the big one was bad, but it was this one. So, go figure, right? As long as we get it working. By the way, this is a PIXMA TS5020 made by Canon. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. I guess we fixed it. So you guys may encounter that situation. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.